The world thought AI supremacy belonged to Silicon Valley. But what if I told you that China just built a world-class AI model for less than $6 million, while American tech giants are burning billions? Yes, Google, OpenAI, Microsoft are spending hundreds of billions on AI dominance. But China? They quietly developed an AI model that rivals the best in for a fraction of the cost. How? And what does this mean for the global AI race? Stay till the end, because what we're about to uncover might shock you. Now let's talk about a shocking development in AI. While US tech giants spend hundreds of millions to push AI forward, China has just built a highly competitive model for only $6 million. Meet DeepSeek AI, an emerging Chinese AI lab that stunned the industry. While OpenAI and Google pour in massive budgets, DeepSeek took a different path, focusing on efficiency over brute force. Instead of chasing bigger, more expensive models, they created a streamlined system that delivers powerful results with far fewer resources. But how did they pull this off? First, they optimized their AI to run on less powerful hardware, avoiding reliance on NVIDIA's top-tier chips, which the US has banned them from buying. Instead, they used homegrown alternatives, proving they can work around Washington's restrictions. Second, unlike US firms, DeepSeek doesn't need to impress investors. Government-backed funding means they can focus purely on long-term innovation. No pressure for quick profits, just relentless progress. The result? A major wake-up call for Silicon Valley. If China can achieve this with just $6 million, what happens when they start scaling up? For years, the US has led AI, but China's rapid progress is forcing Washington to take action. To slow China down, the US banned NVIDIA from selling high-end AI chips like the H100. The goal? Starve China's AI development. But instead of crippling China, this move pushed Beijing to accelerate domestic AI production. Now China is rapidly building its own semiconductor supply chain, aiming to become self-sufficient in AI tech. Meanwhile, Washington is also cracking down on AI collaboration, restricting US researchers from working with Chinese firms. Even American tech companies face pressure to blacklist Chinese AI developers. But here's the issue. China is adapting fast. They're developing AI with minimal resources. They're securing their own chip supply. They're attracting top global AI talent. So the real question is, if the US can't block China's AI advancements, what's next? So far, we've talked about the billion-dollar AI battle between the US and China, the restrictions, the breakthroughs, and the fight for dominance. But let's step back for a moment and think about what this actually means for you, the everyday person watching this. Because this isn't just about tech companies and governments. This is about the future of the global economy, jobs, and even personal freedom. First, let's talk about economics. If China gains an edge in AI, it could shift the balance of economic power. AI isn't just another technology. It's the foundation for automation, finance, defense, and countless industries. If China starts producing cheaper and more efficient AI, it could undercut American businesses, forcing them to either adapt or fall behind. Second, consider the impact on jobs. The AI revolution is already transforming the workforce. But now there's a new layer to this challenge: global competition. If China develops AI that is just as powerful as America's, but at a fraction of the cost, companies may look to outsource even more, leading to fewer opportunities for American and European workers. And finally, there's the issue of control. Right now, Silicon Valley largely dictates the direction of AI, shaping everything from online algorithms to business automation. But if China's AI gains global influence, it could lead to a new wave of regulations, digital policies, and AI-driven governance models that may look very different from what we have today. So, the real question is, are we ready for this shift? Will the US find a way to maintain its dominance? Or are we heading into a world where AI power is no longer controlled by the West? These are the questions we all need to be asking. Because whether we like it or not, the AI race isn't just a battle between superpowers, it's a battle for the future. So what do you think? Will America stay on top, or is China about to rewrite the AI rulebook? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss. And if you want to dive even deeper into how big tech and Washington are secretly shaping AI's future, click on this video next. See you there.